Hey guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today I will do some makeup. This will be the look. We gotta do what we gotta do. But okay, let's get started. So I always start with a primer, and this is the water primer from Etos. And now I'm gonna use the double lasting serum foundation by Etude House. So this foundation is really liquidy. Look, it just drips. So I'm gonna apply it with my finger first. Now we're gonna blend it with a sponge. And now I'm gonna use my concealer. It's the L'Oreal Infallible? I don't know how to pronounce it. Infallible? I will say Infallible. Okay. L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. So right now I'm just applied like right here. And some spots I have. And now I'm gonna blend it. Bam! Okay. Right now I'm gonna use the Easy Brow Pencil by Etude House again. And yeah, I will just do my eyebrows. And yeah, as you can see, this is not pretty, so I'm gonna smudge it out. So I will start off with the cookie dough one. So it's like this one, this color. And then I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelids. So, and now I'm gonna use the cheesecake one. And now I will gonna use the lakes. That's this one. And I will use it like for my sides. I use the same brush again, and I will use cheesecake, so the reddish one, for under my eyes. I will use my finger to smudge it out. And now I will use some glitter. So right now I'm gonna use the everyday glitter, and I will just use my fingers for the glitters. And I will use the same everyday glitter for my eyes here. So right now I'm gonna use the KIKO eyeliner. So you just draw on the outer corners. You just draw a triangle there, and then you smudge it out. I will do the inner corners a bit. Now I did my eyes. I'm gonna use my eyeshadow brush again, and I will use a tiny little bit of my cheesecake color to contour my nose. And then I use the infinity glitter. I will put it on my pinky, and then I will put it on my nose. That's too much. Okay, better. I'm gonna use the 21 for my blush right now. It's like not too much. So right now I'm gonna use my L'Oreal lipstick. I just kind of dab it like this. And now I'm just gonna use my fingers a little bit to blend it out. Wow! And now this is like kinda the look. And now I finally can remove. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Why is my hair like that? Oh, I almost forgot this. It's again the same drugstore, Etos. And I'm gonna use the fixing spray hydrating. Let it dry. And then we are done. Wow. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will see you soon. Bye!